Hawak na ng Indiana Pacers ang 2-1 advantage sa 2025 NBA Finals matapos nilang maibulsa ang 116-107 na panalo kontra sa Oklahoma City Thunder sa Game 3 nitong Huwebes sa Gainbridge Fieldhouse sa Indianapolis. Balikan natin ang aksyon sa ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Sa unang pagkakataon mula noong taong 2000, nakatikim muli ang Indiana Pacers ng matamis na home court victory sa NBA Finals. Ito ay matapos na makuha ng Pacers ang 116-107 na panalo sa Game 3 ng 2025 NBA Finals para mapasakamay ang 2-1 advantage kontra sa Oklahoma City Thunder nito lamang Huwebes sa Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Magandang bungad ng Game 3 para sa OKC na agad nakapagtala ng 8 puntos na kalamangan sa pagtatapos ng opening quarter. Pero biglang uminit ang Indiana at nagpakawala ng 40 points sa second quarter dahil na rin sa pagpapakitang gilas ng kanilang mga bench players na sina Benedict Mathurin at TJ McConnell. Nagwakas ang first half, abante ang Pacers sa score na 64-60. Pagsapit ng third quarter, muling umarangkada ang opensa ng Thunder sa puangunan ng 2025 NBA Most Valuable Player na si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander at all-star forward na si Jalen Williams para makapagbaon ng 89-84 lead papasok ng fourth quarter. Sa closing period, hindi na hinayaan pa ng Pacers na makalayo ang Thunder at agad nakatabla sa 8.5-minute mark kung saan isang quick steal at layup ang nagmula kay McConnell. Huling deadlock ng laro ang 98 all sa natitirang 7 minuto bago ito binasag ni Tyrese Haliburton na nakapukol ng isang step-back 3-point shot. Mula noon, isang 18-9 scoring kalakip ang matinding depensa ang pinakawalan ng Indiana sa crunch time para makuha ang crucial na panalo sa Game 3. Nagsilbing bayani para sa Pacers si Mathurin na gumawa ng playoff career high 27 points kasama pa ang 4 rebounds at 1 assist.
Just staying ready. Whenever my number gets called, just to go in the game and do the right things and trying to have my team win. That's the whole mindset.
Samantala, isang almost triple-double naman ang maitala ni Haliburton na may 22 markers, 11 dimes at 9 boards. Sa kanyang post-game press conference, pinuwi ng two-time NBA All-Star guard ang naging magandang performance ng kanilang bench kabilang na ang player of the game na si Mathurin.
Yeah, I thought he just did a great job of just playing within what we do so well. He did a great job of coming off handoffs, reading the pocket, rising up for the mid-range. This is a defense that will give that up. Analytically, that's not the best shot. But I thought he did a great job of hunting that, getting downhill. And what Ben does at such a high level is get to the free throw line. And in this series, we need to get free throws. We need to get to the paint. And I thought Ben did a great job of that. Our bigs were great, Miles and Obi and Pascal, of setting solid screens to allow us to really get in the pocket and make reads. And I thought he was unbelievable. I thought he did a great job in transition as well, forcing the issue. Getting downhill. So he just made big play after big play, and that's the great thing, about the finals. The great thing about basketball, when you have a team with this much depth, it can be anybody's night.
Ayon naman kay SGA sa panig ng Thunder, mas paitingin pa nila ang kanilang focus para magawang makatabla sa Game 4.
Every game's a reset, especially at this stage in the season. A series looks so different. We've had a series where we lost the game and won the next one by 40. We've got a series where we won 2 in a row by 20 and then lost the next one by 40. So it's like every game's a reset. And basketball reminds you of that. It's very humbling. It shows you that if you don't stay in the moment, if you don't come ready to play, no matter who you are, no matter what you just did, you can get beat and beat pretty bad. And we've learned those lessons, so we should be ready to go.
Isang araw lamang ang pahinga para sa parehong Thunder at Pacers bago sila muling magtuos sa Game 4 sa Sabado sa home court pa rin ng Indiana. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.